Yeah, man. I don't know if we should have chose this park. It looked kind of creepy, bro. I don't know.
Yeah, this is the time.
Huh? Is it a warning sign? Warning. No pigskin footballs allowed. Bro, that's all we play with is pigskin football. What we look like playing with a rubber football. Take today very serious. We got a game on Sunday. So if you're gonna be here training with us, don't get in the way and don't be playing. You hear me? Alright, Knight. Gang Sunday, bro. You gotta be ready. Alright? You gotta be quick on your feet, man, cause slow feet don't eat. Hey, y'all see it, man. We back out here, man. We got a game Sunday. Knight out here today, bro. We finna get him together, man. So on Sunday we play the Western Ranch Cougars. We can dominate, baby. Let's get it. We control KOOL. Hey, if it's your first time on the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You feel me? Set, go! Go. Don't touch that ladder. Don't touch that ladder. 4 feet out. Good. How you feeling? How you looking, Kai? Looking good? All right, let's go. Coming back, coming back. Set, go! Touch that ladder, don't touch that ladder. 4 feet out. Yay. All right. So far, so good. We'll go through one more time, and then after that, we'll play catch a little bit just to warm up and get you ready for catching passes, all right? Yeah. All right, let's get it, man. Sit. Go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 4 feet out. There we go. All right, let's line it up, man. Play a little bit catch, man. Oh, arm is sore. Arm is sore, Ty. What was that? Big game Sunday, bro. Gotta be ready. I don't know, man. There's just something about this park, man. It just give me an eerie feeling, man. You?
Some bad vibes.
Some bad vibes, dude.
I like to be behind us.
I feel like somebody behind me, huh? I don't know. Every time I throw a pass, I just feel like somebody's watching it. We just tripping, man. We just tripping. Come on. We tripping. Paranoid. You know what I think it is? He can't catch. That's who's freaking us out right now. We got a game Sunday and he can't catch. Something about this park.
I would.
You think you can guard Knight one-on-one?
Yeah.
If you don't knock it off. Well, first you're gonna have to put your Crocs in sports mode.
Alright.
Come on, Knight. You wanna play you one-on-one?
Okay.
Down. Hands off the knees. Set. Go. Oh, gave it to you. All right, again. This time, Knight. Stay right. Get on the stay right, all right? Down. Set. Go. Ah.
What throw was that? Oh, I got so far.
My bad, bro. Just go get it. Are these the gold egg shots?
Yeah.
Knight, didn't you get one of these for your birthday?
Yeah.
And you loved them. No kid would ever leave these gold guns sitting here like that. I wonder where they could be. I wonder where they could be, bro. Do you think that somebody took them? You remember the sign? The warning sign?
Yeah.
God, did you see it? There was a warning sign that said, no pigskin footballs. Wow. Now remember what that feeling? Pigskin.
Wait. That. Pigskin.
I gotta tell you guys a story, but we're gonna need to sit down for this one. Come with me. All right, Kyle, you gonna have to sit down for this story, man. So you guys ready to hear the story about Pigskin? I know, I'm a little scared too. But we're here, and I gotta tell you guys this story. In this area, there's an old story about a pig, and everybody calls him Pigskin. You wanna know why they call him Pigskin? Because he's a pig. And he goes after all kids that play with pigskin footballs. And rumor has it, he goes after all kids that play with pigskin footballs because his mom never let him play football because they're made out of pigs. And Knight, you think it's funny, but legend has it, he collects all footballs so no kids can play football. And you know how much you love playing football.
But Dad, don't you think that was him standing behind us?
You know what? You could be right. Because if I remember correctly, the sign. Pigskin wakes up at the first scent of a pigskin football. So we could have woken them up. You know what, Kai? You could be right. Because he wakes up every year when he smells pigskin footballs. But I don't know about y'all. We got a game Sunday night and we really need to get this work in. I'm not too worried about them if y'all ain't. Y'all want to get back to work?
I'm kind of scared. It's okay. We got a gun to protect us. You've been in the bathroom for a very long time. Okay, we got guns to protect us. Alright. Maybe I'm just worried. But aren't you scared? Pigskin. We saw Pigskin.
What?
We saw Pigskin.
Where? Where's the football?
He took them.
He intercepted it? The night you didn't make the tackle? What? It's okay. We're gonna go home, work on our defense. We know where he's at now. He's here somewhere. We're gonna come back and get that ball back. All right? Ball back on me. Ball back on 3. 1, 2, 3.